Gee, this server is slow. What you need is some maintenance. That's what you need, some maintenance. Make this thing work properly. Man, don't remember it being like that. A bit dusty too. Well, it hasn't been looked at for a while, so let's just find out what's going on with it. You need some maintenance, I'm afraid, my friend. That's a strange whirring noise. Yeah, I can make that run better. I got the tools for the job. I can get this done. What's going on here? This network's supposed to be efficient. What's going on? Ha! You need better spark plugs. That's what you need. Your server will run much faster if it gets some maintenance and some better spark plugs. Get in under the bonnet there and make it fire up. I tell you, the best maintenance is better spark plugs. In all seriousness, you spend a lot of money putting together a server, a network, all the software, licenses, all the computers and training for staff. Why wouldn't you spend a little bit of time maintaining your equipment? Everything from dust build-up through to overheating, through to just getting old. There are things inside servers that can fail. We provide a maintenance system where we come out and we have a look physically at the server, we look at the software, the drivers, all the bits and pieces that make it work. We even listen to it, look for flashing lights, do all the things we need to do to make it fresh. We can also look at your workstations, printers, whatever devices are on the network, make sure you're secure and fully up to date. Maintenance is not one of those things on a wish list, it should happen. If it does happen, you get the most out of your server, the most out of your equipment, the most out of what you spent. So, if you haven't had maintenance in a while, give BTP a call. We'd love to come out and blow the dust out.